Elon Musk confirms Giga Berlin groundbreaking presence at the end of March. He will attend the groundbreaking. Hello everyone, we have a breaking news everyone. Elon Musk just confirmed that he will attend Tesla's Giga Berlin groundbreaking ceremony, taking place sometimes during the second half of March. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Before I tell you the story, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel and ring the bell notifications so you may receive my next updates from the Giga Berlin that will be coming daily. Those of you who have been watching our channel, they know that I've been reporting sometimes even 2 stories daily, updating what was happening in Giga Berlin by Tesla and how the work was progressing. So please subscribe to our channel to stay in touch with those updates. Yesterday, Frankfurter Allgemeine published a story in which Brandenburg's economic minister Jorg Steinbach said the groundbreaking ceremony of Tesla for the electric car factory, Giga Berlin, is scheduled for March. Steinbach is a Giga Berlin big supporter. He said that he was very pleased when the Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced the location of the new plant now known as Giga Berlin. Nevertheless, due to the fact that Tesla had an ambitious schedule, Steinbach was excited that the automaker would not have time to clear the territory. Actually, he was concerned that the automaker wouldn't have time to clear the territory, that was planned for the plant in a specific time. But Tesla did a great job despite the setbacks, which I have reported in the past few weeks daily on this channel. Here is how Tesla decided to choose Berlin. On the morning of November 12th, remember that day of 2019 when things were announced? On that morning, Tesla founder Elon Musk took a personal look at the area in Grünheide, which is actually the actual location where the Gigafactory is being built. In the afternoon, he made things clear with Steinbach in the Berlin luxury hotel Adlon. And in the evening, he announced at the car award ceremony, it will be Berlin, Giga Berlin. Well, almost, because Grünheide is located around 20 kilometers southeast of the capital, of the German capital. It continues things at this pace. After 2 environmental associations flashed their lawsuits in the court, Tesla cleared around 90 hectares of pine forest, the area for the first construction phase. Now the stumps are removed and the ground leveled. In addition, the final purchase price for the property must be strapped down. According to an expert opinion published in Frankfurter Allgemeine, it is slightly above the originally agreed 41 million euros. That's the price for the ground. When all of this has been resolved, you can start. Steinbach said, we expect the groundbreaking in the second half of March. That's what he said. He said that it will be great if Elon Musk attends the groundbreaking ceremony. Musk tweeted at 4 a.m. Eastern Time this morning and wrote, definitely, quote unquote, definitely. So it's confirmed, God willing, the Giga Berlin groundbreaking ceremony will take place during the second half of March and Elon Musk, Tesla CEO, will attend the groundbreaking ceremony. Tesla cleared about 90 hectares of pine forest for the first phase of construction. At the moment, excavations have almost finished tearing out stumps and leveling the ground. Workers are actively laying power lines, which I reported last week and you can check our previous videos. They are actively laying power lines to continue construction work. We expect an innovative project to happen at the second half of March, Steinbach said in an interview to FAZ, which is reported also by Frankfurter Allgemeine. He also said, I would like Elon Musk to come back to Germany for this. This would be an important signal for the locals. Yes, indeed. If Elon Musk attends the groundbreaking ceremony, it will be an important signal for the locals, for the government, and also for the automotive sector in Germany. In fact, I Last week, the mayor of Grunheit in Brandenburg, Arne Christiani, suggested that the groundbreaking ceremony could occur by the end of March. It could be the end, the groundbreaking ceremony would take place at the end of March. He told Tesla Mag, which I also reported in my last week's reporting. I also had a very interesting story by an automotive expert from last week, from actually Saturday, where we discussed 6 ways Tesla was going to impact the automotive German industry and automotive sector in Germany. And in fact, one of them, which was very interesting, was to shift the automotive industry from south of Germany, which is basically clustered in south, to the north, where the capital Berlin is. So this is going to nicely balance the geography of the automotive industry and sector in Germany. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this event and if you're excited, and like this video and comment below, and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video later today, bringing more updates about the Giga Berlin. Have a blessed day, and we'll see you in our next video.